How it started. Her old man tries to kill Menendez. Menendez wants payback, even if it takes decades. Menendez, back then, he was a big fish in a small pond. He made his cake running a drug cartel out of Nicaragua. It was a hand-me-down. The CIA smoked his old man. Old Cyclops is pretty pissed at America. Around the Middle East, the Russians and the Chinese.
Cubans. Elite rank. State-of-the-art tech.
How many followers does Cortes Diaz have right now? What, 1 billion people?
Try 2 billion. They'll never believe their leader's a terrorist. They think Menendez is their savior. Time to go see what Menendez has got hidden down there. You ready, Harper?
Keep momentum on your swing. Don't want to be left hanging. Surface is a little uneven. Jam hard with the nano gloves.
So far, so good.
Ready? Okay, hotshot, your turn.
One more time. Let's go. Okay? Yeah, we're okay. Thanks to you.
Wide open. Little more than a skeleton crew. Walk in the park, baby.
No seas idiota. Do not underestimate Raul Menendez.
His followers sure did. And what does Cortes Diaz mean exactly?
It's Latin. Heart Day, or something like that.
Sounds like something noble.
That's what Menendez wants his followers to believe. Trust me, it isn't. Crosby, you're up.
All right, let's go, brother. Right, man! Easy does it! There! The gap in the mountain!
Deploying shoot!
Deploying shoot!
Deploying shoot!
You good?
I'm good. Salazar, Crosby, you got the left side?
Cover! Ready on your go!
Kurgan, this is Harper. Come in. Enemy is preparing to leave location. Advise.
We need firm intel on their capabilities. You are clear to engage.
Section, you seen this?
Yeah. Be ready to move on my kill. An EMP grenade will fry their cloaking systems.
car! Take it out!
On it!
Section! Hack the weapon systems of that grounded bird!
Drone's down. Okay, let's get
Give
moving.
these guys a taste of their own medicine! Push forward! Don't let them breathe! Move in! Clear them out! They're falling back! Engaging! Come on! We got him on the run! Turret's got the area locked down! Yeah! EMPs will fry them! Hit him with an EMP section! Nice going, man!
Turret's down.
You fried him, section! There's gotta be more to this facility underground.
Kraken, this is Section. Surface installation is neutralized. Moving to investigate secondary structure.
Let's blow it. Stand back.
Watch your step. Floodwaters may have weakened the structure.
Yeah, look at this.
What we saw up top was just a front.
Walls are several meters thick. We lose comms inside.
Update Briggs. Tell him we're moving in.
Kraken, this is Harper. Confirming SciTech installation beneath the temple. Requesting immediate cleanup and containment unit to our location. Be advised, we will lose comms as soon as we make our entry.
Kraken confirms. Ground team moving for immediate insertion. Stand by for ETA.
Salazar, get it open. Enemy's optic systems. We need to get our techs working on analysis.
Maybe you should shoot up. They'll barely see you.
All right, on me.
Ton of them! They got an ASD! His front's too tough!
Spread out. Clear the area. pushing!
Heads up! Another ASD!
Target the nitrogen tanks!
Smart thinking, Salazar! That stuff blows up really good! Move left! They got more auto turrets!
Push through them!
Okay, we're clear.
This is 3D fabrication tech. Weapons, components, armor. Menendez is arming himself for war.
Woods told us how much wealth Menendez built over the years. He's been investing in weapons tech.
Somebody's here.
Please, don't hurt me!
Okay, come on out. This lab is linked to a known terrorist. You start talking or I will hurt you.
My name is Eric Briner. I'm a magnetometrist.
Yeah? And what is, Menendez's interest in you, buddy?
They brought me here to process the Solarium. It's a new, rare earth element that will render all existing microchip technologies obsolete.
They're coming! Get me out of here alive! I'll give you everything! Grab some of these shields! Set them down as cover!
These soldiers mean business! Now where's the Solarium?
This way. The locking mechanism requires 2 operators. On your go.
Let's get to it, Section.
Follow me! entanglement. This single device has more processing power than your entire military infrastructure. Rumors around the lab were that Menendez plans to use it as a basis for a massive cyber attack. I heard talk of something called Karma. It may be the name for the cyber weapon. If Menendez uses a Solarium worm to initiate an attack, there will be nothing anyone can do to stop it. I couldn't stop it.
Harper, get a sit rep on the support team.
Behind us! We got incoming! Kraken! Harper requesting confirmation on extraction team's ETA.
Defensive positions.
Kraken, come in! No response!
We'll fight our way out, with or without support. This ain't over yet.
Your team can stand out.
It's Briggs! Stand out! It's the extraction team! Boy, are you a sight for sore eyes.
I guess we can call this mission accomplished.
Admiral Briggs, good to see you.
You too, Sergeant.
Whatever Menendez is planning, Solarium is the key to it.
Well, we finally got one over on this.
He's just a man, Admiral. He'd like you to think he's something more. But he ain't nothing but a sad, old, pitiful excuse of a man.